Hello viewers, myself MJ Tamim. In this video, I will show you how to create a reflection shadow in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin the video. First of all, you have to take a PNG image in Photoshop artboard. Then select the image and press Ctrl J to copy the image. And press Ctrl and click on the corner of the copy image. Then right click on it and select Flip Vertical. Then press Shift and drag it down. Then reduce the opacity of the flipped image 100 to 70%. Thereafter, click on the plus icon to create a new layer and select brush tool and take the foreground color. Then click on the layer like that for the realistic vibe. Finally, here is the result. So you can easily create a reflection shadow in Adobe Photoshop by following this process. Thank you for watching the video.